Searching for information isn't what it used to be just a few years ago. Before we dive in, just a quick heads up that we are a Semrush partner, so if you use the links in the description, we may earn a commission, but this is our honest review based on the latest 2026 updates. We've officially moved into a world where people don't just Google it, they ask AI. This shift means as a marketer or business owner, you've got to be visible in two places at once: the traditional search results we all know, and the new AI-driven discovery platforms ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, etc. And to rank your platform top of these AI tools, you should start using Semrush One. It's a unified solution designed to help you benchmark your competition on Google and AI platforms simultaneously. Instead of jumping between different apps, you get a single workflow to identify new keywords, track brand mentions in AI chats, and simplify your entire reporting process. So let's see how Semrush One helps you rank on top of both Google and AI tool searches. Now, you might be wondering what exactly Semrush One is. Think of it as the ultimate all-access pass to the entire Semrush ecosystem, specifically built for the way we market today. It's their flagship solution that bridges the gap between classic SEO and the new frontier of AI search. For a long time, we had tools for Google and maybe separate tools for AI, but Semrush One brings them under one roof with a single subscription. When you sign up, you're basically getting two massive engines working for you. First, you have the all-known SEO Toolkit, which is your bread and butter for keyword research, site audits, and tracking your rank on Google. Then you get the AI Visibility Toolkit. This is the new edition that lets you see exactly how your brand is showing up or where it's missing in places like Google AI Overviews, ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity. It's not just about links anymore, it's about being part of the answer that an AI gives a user. By combining these, Semrush One ensures that whether a customer uses a search bar or a chat box, they're going to find you. Now, moving right along, let's dive into the SEO Toolkit. When you first log in, you're greeted by the SEO dashboard. What it does is that it gives you a high-level view that pulls in the most important stats from your projects, like your site's health score, organic traffic trends, and how many keywords you're currently ranking for. It's a great way to start your morning because you can spot any major shifts before diving into the nitty-gritty. Speaking of the nitty-gritty, the competitive research section is where things get a bit more detailed. You've got the domain overview, which is like an X-ray for any website. You just put in a competitor's URL, and it shows you their traffic, their best keywords, and even their backlink profile. If you want to dig deeper, organic research shows you exactly which pages are bringing them the most visitors. Our favorite parts here are the keyword gap and backlink gap tools. These are pure gold because they literally list the keywords and backlinks your competitors have that you don't. It's a ready-made to-do list for your strategy. So after getting done with the competitive research tools, we've got the keyword research tools, which are the backbone of any campaign. You see, the keyword overview gives you the vital signs for any term: volume, difficulty, and intent. But the real workhorse is the keyword magic tool. With a database of over 25 billion keywords, you can start with one simple idea and generate thousands of long-tail variations in seconds. It even labels the intent for you by showing whether someone wants to buy something or just find information. At this point, to stay organized, the Keyword Strategy Builder helps you group those terms into clusters so you can plan out your content logically. Once your content is live, position tracking keeps an eye on things daily, showing you exactly where you stand in the rankings. And after doing all these, Organic Traffic Insights connects your Google Search Console and analytics data directly into Semrush, so you can see which specific keywords are actually driving not provided traffic. It's a comprehensive setup that leaves no stone unturned. To take it a step further, they give you link building and technical SEO tools that provide the foundation your site needs to actually rank. Backlink Analytics lets you monitor your backlink profile and see if you're gaining or losing authority, but the Site Audit tool is perhaps the most practical of the bunch because it crawls your site and gives you a list of health issues, from broken links to slow page speeds. It even prioritizes them so you know what to fix first. On-Page SEO Checker goes even deeper by giving you specific ideas on how to improve individual pages based on what your top 10 competitors are doing. It's like having a professional consultant looking over your shoulder. Okay, so we got a glimpse of the SEO toolkit. Now we have to talk about the most modern part of the suite, the AI Visibility Toolkit. This is where you go to understand your share of voice in the world of large language models. It starts with the Visibility Overview, which gives you an AI visibility score from 0 to 100. It's a benchmark that tells you how often your brand is being mentioned across AI platforms compared to the rest of your industry. Inside this section, the AI analysis tools like competitor research and prompt research change the scenario. See, competitive research here isn't about Google rankings. It's about seeing which brands an AI recommends when a user asks for a solution. You can see the exact prompts where your rivals are getting all the credit while you're left out. On the other hand, prompt research is essentially keyword research for the AI era. It shows you the actual questions people are typing into ChatGPT or Gemini, the volume of those queries, and even the intent behind them, whether they're looking to buy or just learn. Then there's the brand performance section, which is more about your reputation. The perception tool analyzes the sentiment of how AI describes you. Is it positive, neutral, or negative? Narrative drivers goes even deeper, showing you the specific themes and stories the AI associates with your brand, like affordable or high quality. If you want to know what users are actually curious about, the questions tool pulls the most common inquiries people ask AI about your niche. To make sure you're actually winning these spots, you have the Boost and Monitor tools. The site audit now includes an AI search health check to make sure AI bots can actually crawl and understand your content. Prompt tracking lets you pick your most important questions and monitor them daily, so if you suddenly drop out of a ChatGPT answer, you'll know immediately. These are all useful insights that not only rank your brand, but also help you to figure out exactly what to do and what not to do. Surely, these insights matter the most when you need to make big calls for your business. To wrap things up, Semrush One is a complete solution for anyone serious about staying relevant as search evolves. It perfectly balances the tried-and-true SEO methods with the essential new world of AI discovery. If you want to ensure your brand is the one being recommended by both Google and ChatGPT, this is the toolkit you need. Check out the description below to get a 14-day free trial with all the features. Try it out and share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.